in front of you. Look in front of you.
I'm seeing in front of me, but I've only seen the door.
And it's Papa.
Where's Papa?
It's there.
There's no Papa.
The kitchen.
Kitchen is empty.
I know there is Papa. That is Papa.
Well, you're seeing Papa, but I can't see Papa. I don't know what happened. I can't see Papa. Look at Sarah beating up Tyler. Tyler, don't move. Lay down. Lay back down with your biscuit. She want the biscuit. She want Tyler biscuit. Don't move. Let she stay. Let she try and get it. Look at her. Go for it, Sarah. Go for it. Go beat up, brother. Biscuit there. Go get it, Sarah. Look. Sit there. Biscuit. Get it. Get it, Sarah. Get it.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
You guys, Sarah is officially sitting up without any support at all.
Try catch the biscuit.
Sarah, see the biscuit there. Hey, brother, you play too much. Sarah is officially sitting up like a big girl. With zero support. Don't, princess? Yes. Brother Sook's in you. I saw him say. So you, brother, wait until I get teeth. I'ma bite you.
No, you will. I will.
I'm gonna take away all your biscuit, make you cry.
And then you will see.
Hi, Fabes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning, Fabes. Say morning. Say morning, morning. Morning, morning. Tyler, come say morning to the face. Ty. Ty. Say morning to the Fabes.
Morning, babe.
I'm about to feed Sarah lunch and Tyler said he wants to help me. You're gonna feed sister for the first time.
Yes.
Come sit. Let me tell you what to do. So you're gonna tell her ah, and when she open her mouth, you put it in there.
Ah.
Take time. Wait until she open her. Die. You can't let she slap your hand or else she's gonna slap off the food off the spoon. Okay?
Ah.
Sarah.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Put the spoon up to her mouth.
Ah.
Put it close to her mouth, Ty. Don't let she hold it. Ty, fast! Ah! Weird!
Ah.
Ty! Oh my God! Put it now. Hurry! Ty!
Like that?
You put... Okay. Just like how you feed yourself, you put the spoon right here. Let me hold your hand and and see how you do it, okay? Hold it. Ah. Right there. You don't put the spoon all the way in her mouth, okay?
Okay.
Sarah looking at you like, give me my food. Hold it. See? Like that. Come again. See?
Yeah. And it's her first time that she
No, it's not her first time. She's eating it every day when you're at school. Come again.
But I'm not at school today.
No, it's not school day. It's the weekend. Come. Come again.
Carrot?
Carrot and pumpkin and beef.
Mm.
It was your favorite when you were a baby, this one.
Yes, but you don't remember.
No, because you were too young to remember.
Yes.
Come. Good job. When she make a mess with the spoon, you just use the spoon and wipe up her mouth like that. Okay? Come, you all by yourself now. Put it in, put it fast. Right, take it out now, take it out. Right, again. Not so far, remember. Half of the spoon to go in her mouth. Right, like that. Right. Take it back now. Good. You just put where the food is in her mouth. Go now. Jesus. Ty, why you have to make she slap you all the time?
It's just some carrots!
Alright, you go and eat now.
Me?
Yes, your food is waiting for you. Your food one. Go and eat.
You make ravioli?
Yes, I made ravioli for you. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. It's the weekend and baby's at work for the early part of the day today. Then when he gets home, we're gonna head on the road to run some errands later.
Where are you going?
We're going to do a little bit of shopping.
After the class?
No, when you reach there, you'll see. So I'm just here taking care of the kids while baby's at work until he gets home. We're gonna roll on the road. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying love and staying blessed, stay motivated and positive while I'm feeding my girl, my little foodie mouth, my little foodie. Go foodie. Good job feeding her, Tyler. You did well. Okay?
Okay.
So they're both having lunch right now. While they're digesting, I'm going to try and get ready and make lunch for me and Babe because I'm sure Babe coming home to have lunch. So that we don't waste any time, we can go on the road. It looks very cloudy out today. It was raining all day yesterday. So hopefully today will be better. Look at Sarah's face. Oh. Sarah is having pumpkin, carrots, beef, and potatoes. Nom 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 numbers. Numbers. And you eat it all up, and you eat it all up, and you eat it all up. You eat it all up, you eat it all up. You eat it all up, you eat it all up. All up. All up. All up. All up. All up. You eat it all up. You eat it all up. Little smiley, come. Eh. You eat it all up. 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 You eat it all. You eat it all. You eat it all. You eat it all. My babies are both fed and they're taking naps right now, which gives me a perfect chance to get myself ready. And now I'm going to make lunch. I think baby's gonna have lunch at home, so I'm just gonna whip up something real quick. I have some rice left over that I have in the fridge, and I have some sausage, and I have corn. So I'm just gonna make a little kind of stir fry. Oh, you guys look at my outfit today. You guys can't see properly, but you guys can't believe that is my mom bought me this top. When your mom still buy your clothes, I love it. Love it. Hello. You having lunch here? How we go. When you know your man, and just like I thought, baby's having lunch at home. I know it. So yeah, lunch is done. And he'll enjoy this when he gets home. He'll be happy. So that's the lunch. And voila, that looks a lot. But I'll be on the road all day. So girl, it's all worth it. All that carbs. All this carb will be worth it. That's lunch. Boom.
You see Papa?
If I see Papa?
Yeah.
No, I can't see Papa.
He's here with Sarah. Look.
I don't see no Papa.
There's something tough.
There's something tough.
It's Papa.
I don't see no Papa.
Hello.
Look.
I don't see no Papa.
Maybe I
See?
disappear to Mama.
See?
Where is Papa?
Maybe I disappear to Mama.
Here with me.
I don't see no Papa. You see Papa?
Yes.
I don't see him. Where is Papa?
Is the Papa that I'm going to do? It's Papa.
I'm just seeing you and Sarah.
And you know something about Sarah?
I'm only seeing Tyler and Sarah, Mama.
Yeah.
Who are you laughing with?
Because I'm Papa.
You're which Papa?
I am Papa 32-year-old.
Papa, 32-year-old.
Yeah.
But Papa is at work?
No, he reached here.
Where?
In the living room.
In the
See?
Tyler and Sarah. And I look. Where? Mama can't see anybody except Tyler and Sarah.
Daddy is ahead of Papa, so
Where? Where?
There.
Tyler and Sarah. Where do you see Papa? Papa is at work. Papa left for work this morning.
Baby Mama can't see me. Maybe
Yeah.
I disappear to Mama.
Yes.
So what can I do to not disappear to Mama?
Where is Papa?
Oh, I see.
Where? Tyler and Sarah. Somebody else. I don't see. Why are you shouting? Cause I can't see Papa?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. I can't see. I can't see.
Mama, look in front of you.
Okay, I'm seeing Sarah. I'm seeing you.
Come, Mama.
Okay.
And look in front of you. Look in front of you.
I'm seeing in front of me, but I've only seen the door.
And it's Papa.
Where's Papa?
It's there.
There's no Papa.
Inside the kitchen.
Kitchen is empty.
I know there is Papa. That is Papa.
Well, you're seeing Papa, but I can't see Papa. I don't know what happened. I can't see Papa. I'm only seeing Sarah and Tyler.
You need the camera.
I need the camera.
Yes. Wait. Some light has gone.
You're gonna give me some light?
Yes.
Okay, give me the light.
Look, he's here.
I'm seeing Marcus, I'm seeing Tyler, I'm seeing Sarah.
It's Papa!
Which Papa?
Maybe she can't see me.
Look! The door,
Maybe she can't see me.
the table, the chair, Tyler, Sarah. I'm not seeing a Marcus. And outside, I'm not seeing no Tyler. I'm not seeing no Papa.
And no Taylor, no Papa!
No, I'm seeing Tyler. I'm not seeing Papa.
So you need to do tell some things like, say something magic to make Papa appear.
Okay. La roca.
Maybe I have to fix Mama's eyes. Oh, yes, I'm seeing the toy.
Gone. Mommy.
Oh, Papa!
Yes, I told you.
I was just tricking you. I seem long time I was just playing. I was just playing. I tried to play the invisible prank on Tyler. I think Tyler, Ty, did you believe that Mama couldn't see Papa for real?
Yes, I see Papa.
He really believed that I couldn't see Papa. He's a mess. Look at my girl. Get up. I'm going to brush your teeth and comb your hair. Come. Go to the bathroom. Hurry. 1,
I'm
2.
dead.
You don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that.
I'm just tricking
You
you.
go to the bathroom. Princess. Doodle. Doodles.
I can't see Papa.
Doodles.
I can't see Papa anymore.
Hi. Hi,
I can't
Doodles.
see Papa anymore.
Hi, Doodles. You don't reach the bathroom yet.
I don't see Papa anymore.
Hi, Doodles. Hi, Doodles. You guys, we are doing a little shopping today, mainly for babe to get some work pants, and let's see what else we find. But It's shopping time. Princess is sleeping, Tyler is snacking. Princess sleeping, Tyler snacking. Pull it down a little bit because it's hot in the store, right? And babe looking for pants. Find something? Guys, we finished shopping. We finished shopping and babe didn't get much of what he wanted. He just got one, but we took it and we went to look for something at the time. We didn't find it. We needed a map for it because it's obsessed with geography. No, it's not. And now we're at KFC. We're gonna have some spicy wings for dinner and then we're gonna head home, right, Princess? Because I'm hungry. And Tyler is having, what you having? Popcorn chicken. Open the box, let me see the spicy wings. Yes.
Oh, we have a cake crumble. We don't need nothing else. Watch movie and the galette des rois.